This is a sound sample using Maono AU-400 mic with pop filter. This is a sound sample using Maono 400 mic without using any pop filter. Now talking with pop filter, noise suppression and acoustic echo cancellation by Realtek HD Audio Manager is in use for this test. There is a very busy street at the side of my home, so you can also judge what kind of noise cancellation it provides. This is a sound sample using Maono AU-A04 mic. Noise suppression and acoustic echo cancellation is not applied by Realtek Audio Manager. In fact, it doesn't support those two features for USB mic. And for all of these tests, I have not applied any kind of tweaks and editing to any of the sounds via software like Audacity or Adobe Audition. I have not made any sound louder. All of these sounds are just raw sounds by every means. I have applied only one editing, and that is cutting between sounds when I stopped speaking. I hope you find it helpful, and if you did, please consider to give it a thumbs up.